In my case, I tried to install the game, but the setup is missing. To fix that, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on Open it. On left side, select Virus and Threat Protection and select Manage Settings and select Turn off Real-Time Protection, and then go back and select Protection History. And as you can see, Thread Quarantined, click on it and select Yes. And as you can see, setup is in here, guys. The game setup is in here. Select the action and select the restore option and select Yes. And now the setup has been restored. And same thing under here, if you see any other files related to game, then restore it, guys. And then go back and select manage settings. Just minimize this page and now install the game, guys. Just double click on the setup and select OK. Continue the installation, guys. After the game install done, you just need to go back to Windows Security we minimized before, and then scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes, and select add an exclusion and select folder. And now we just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. I installed in C drive, and here is the game folder. After selecting the game folder, select folder option, and now the game has been added to this list. Now go back and turn on the real-time protection. Just closed off here, and now you will never face a game related issue. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.